We want to change this old and scratched toilet tank lever to the newer one with chrome. So first what you want to do, cover your existing toilet seat so you don't accidentally scratch it. Take your gloves and take the lid out. Now do not place the lid on the toilet seat unless you put very thick layer of fabric or something, because at the bottom it's not glazed and it's gonna scratch it. You turn on the water, then empty the tap. So you might notice that the lever supplied is straight, but the lever within your toilet tank, if it's with the lever one, it's gonna be bent. And now in most cases, if you install it like that, it's not gonna fit, so you will have to bend this lever. And also there is a nut to attach it to the tank. You want to unscrew this lever, you need to detach the chain first. Be careful, if you do not want to change the chain, just don't break anything on it. You want to unscrew the existing lever. And then you remove the nut, and then you gently remove the lever. You want to bend the new lever to the point of the old one. How to bend this one? Previously it was bent using torch. We're not gonna torch it. We're gonna use the heat gun and warm it, and then we'll just gradually bend it. So that's gonna be my working surface, and because we're not gonna torch it, just the heat gun, it's pretty safe, and of course we have water here, just in case. You see it's ready. So now what you wanna do is just form it into the 45 degrees, in my case. Okay, this is it. You can dip it in the water if you want, but this plastic is meant to be bent, so it heats up quickly and it also cools off quickly. Okay, perfect. Put it back in. It doesn't block anything. Now you want to take the chain and put it exactly in the same hole that the previous lever. In our case, it's the third hole, and that's where we want to install it. Let's test it out. Open the water. And let it fill. You see, there is a little bit of movement, like 1/4 inch, which is good enough. Now let's test it out again. So it pours a good amount of water, and that's what we want to achieve. Let's wait until water stops flowing. Okay, so you see no water running, water stopped filling up in the tank. Time to test. And that's how we change your toilet lever. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below.